Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing the Ipsy. I'm not sure if this is the Ipsy Plus or the regular Ipsy. We will jump in and find out together. I hope you guys have all had a wonderful week or are having a wonderful start to your week. Let me know how your week's going, guys. Anything fun planned for this week? Anything exciting? This is my plus. Alright. So it did come in this cute little Dream Santa bag. It just says Dream all the way around. That is the typical drawstring bag that it always comes in. It's cute. I like this one. I like the Dream theme, and it's cute. So I actually don't remember anything that I chose pretty much, but oh, squished. Did it come with the card? Oh my. It came with a lot of cards. Oh, the Glam Bag X. We'll get to that. Oh. No, it didn't. Okay, so it says beauty resolutions for your sign. I'm actually a Leo Virgo. I'm on the cusp, so it says Leo, nothing will dull your shine. Consider highlighter your holy grail. Virgo says stray from the understated looks you love and experiment. Got it, Ipsy. Thank you. Alright, guys. So, I don't know. I did some add-ons. I'm not sure which bag. I'm not sure if it's going to be this one or the other one. But, I don't see anything in... No, that is... I don't see any add-ons in here, actually. I see 5 items, so I think we're good. So, the first item I have is the Pure Lace Blue Lotus and Seaweed Treatment Sheet Mask. And they just sound good. I really like Pure Lace as a company. I love that they're more like clean Korean style skincare. And I have a few products of theirs that I really like. And it says intensely moisturize, soothe, and balance. And it's good for any skin types. And then it says combination, which is a skin type. Alright. Okay, guys. So the next thing I have is an Ofra. It looks like a liquid gloss. I think they're called Bossies. Yep, it's a Bossy Eyes liquid eyeshadow, and it is in Penthouse. So we can actually open that up and take a look at it and see what it looks like. So it actually comes just like one of their regular, and like a liquid lip, I would say. Okay, guys. I haven't even really seen it yet. Oh, okay. It's like a champagne pinkish color. That'd be pretty on the eyes. Okay, I like that actually. Actually, this is my first liquid eyeshadow, I do believe. I'm not a big liquid eyeshadow person, but I see a lot of people that are obsessed with the Stila ones, and I just have never gotten one, so I don't know, but maybe I will love them as well. Alright guys, and the next thing I have up in here is for Sally, the Unicorn Essence. Isn't this the thing that everybody all over like social media was like dripping on their face all summer long because it was like multicolored and pretty? I'm pretty sure it is. Farsali is a very expensive skincare company, and I do like some of their things. I just really don't understand the pricing. I think it kind of... Okay, I thought before that it was a high-end skincare company, but now I'm starting to feel like they go more towards like people in their 20s, which could still be high-end, but yeah, it's definitely this. Okay, and what does this say? It does. It says it skin enhancing antioxidant serum, and that, yeah, that's it. Skin enhancing antioxidant serum. I don't know exactly what it says, but it looks pretty, I know, on social media. Alright, so then I got the Calacey? I'm not sure. I can't even really read because they look little, like, I think they're S's because they look like little coffee beans. I'm not sure. And it says it's a whipped moisturizing cream, and it is for normal to dry skin, which is me, especially during this winter. Comment down below, has your skin taking a weird turn this summer? Like, I understand that every winter, everybody's skin is likely more dry than it is during the summer. But for this winter, for some reason, it is extra dry and like nothing's helping it. So hopefully this Khaleesi moisturizer will do so. Oh, and the masks. How could I forget the masks? And as if you couldn't leave Wander Beauty out of a bag, guys, I did happen to get a brow Wander Beauty pencil. And I don't remember, I don't think that was, you know, like they send you the email and they say, these are the 2 things you picked for yourself. This was not one of the things I picked for myself. And I don't feel like I remember this being what they picked for me either. I'll have to kind of go on and look. But, oh, it's really thin. It'd be like one of those micro... Oh, wow. Yeah. I don't know if you can see, but like, that is tiny. Needs to come out a little bit more. Wait, it doesn't come out. I kind of broke it on, guys. It didn't move at all. Ah, that stinks. Well, I got a broken Wander. I think it looks like a micro, not needling, the brow thing. They get your brows done. Yeah, that pencil. I'm not really sure. But anyhow, yeah, it was a good enough bag, I believe. I mean, I love Purlisse. I picked that. This I picked because it was a moisturizer. This I picked because I love anything that's Ofra. And then they gave me the unicorn blood looking thing and a pencil that doesn't work. I would say that it's actually not a bad bag. I got quite a few things that I either am really excited to get because I wanted, or even the Farsali, like I'm excited to see what it does. As for the pencil, I don't know if I'll, you know, message customer service, but, you know, not a bad start. I am super excited next month for the Glam Bag X though. And this is actually what this is about. And then it has Patrick Ta on the back because the first one for February is going to be Patrick Ta. And it just pretty much says there are 8 full-size products. You choose 3 worth up to $428, I guess, is the box. It's curated fave from celebrity makeup artists like Patrick Ta. And it says exclusive access to the hottest brands like Pat McGrath, Huda, IGK, R&Co, and more. So I believe that if you have regular Ipsy or Ipsy Plus, you are able to upgrade. I believe it does upgrade the smaller bag like the regular Ipsy. So, you know, I'm excited to see that next month. So stay tuned for that. Let me know what you guys got in your Ipsy. Did you get any of the same things I did? Did you get a broken pencil? This is their refresh as well. I don't know if everybody heard of that, but they're going to be doing their own products and doing like a refresh line where they send it to you each month. Say you need like shaving cream or moisturizer or whatever, and they'll send it to you each month with your bag, which is a neat thought. I'm just not sure with like them making their own companies and stuff how it'll be. But again, I hope you guys are having a wonderful week. I hope that you are loving on yourself, and I hope to see you next time. Stay tuned, leave comments, give me likes, hit subscribe button if you are not already subscribed, and I will see you on the next time. Bye, guys.